In today's video, I'll teach you how to post anonymously on Facebook group. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in facebook.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Facebook. You can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So in order to post anonymously, first of all, you'll have to go to that particular group. At left, you'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for groups. What you have to do is click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the groups interface. Over here, you'll be able to see all the groups that you have joined. Simply click on any of the group. Now you can see over here that particular group will be opened. Now over here, you'll be able to post. You'll only be able to post anonymously if the group admin has enabled the feature for anonymous participation. If they have enabled that feature, over here you'll be able to find this option for anonymous post. What you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be able to find the detail regarding anonymous post over here. The anonymous posts published in the group do not include your name or profile photo. Admins, moderators and Facebook systems can see your name and profile photo. Click on this option, create anonymous post. Now you can see over here you'll be able to create the post. Now simply create your post, type in your caption. Also you can post the photos, location, emoji, GIF, etc. After you do that, click on this option submit that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here it is being posted. Now you can see over here your anonymous post has been posted. So like this you'll be able to post anonymously. So that is how you post anonymously on Facebook groups. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.